Kasi iba na tingala nga aga shades ako. Because for the past 2 weeks, 2 hours or maximum of 3 hours a day lang ang tulog ko. Kaya bago lang gid nagbata, ang ako ng asawa sa ika-4 ko nga baby. Nga si Alexander Joaquin Tubas. So, I feel that this event is very true, not just for everyone, but most especially for me, because I am raising a child right now. And you know, it entails a lot of sacrifice on the part of parents. Parents, whether they are biological parents, parents meaning guardians, or parents meaning our second parents, ang mga maestro hag maestra. But before I continue, I'd like to acknowledge, of course, ang Ramon Avancenia National High School, one of the biggest schools here in the city of Iloilo, ang teaching, non-teaching staff. And of course, bago lang din naghambal ang ilang principal, I've worked with her sa DepEd Iloilo City when I was still Iloilo City Councilor, sa Learners for Educators Excellence Awards during ilang harvest. Tapos, sang ara na ko sa Video Network Bank, naghatag man kita sang prizes sa elementary kag high school level. Si Ma'am Lori. Palakpakan ta din. Of course, ari man diri ang akong mga kaupod sa Video Network Bank. Halin gid ni sa 3 ka business groups. So from CBNG, ari diri si Branch Head Shai. Palakpakan ta gid siya. Kag ang mga kaupod niya. From Salary Loans Group, ang inyo gid diri ma'am nga kakita termi. Nga nag-asikaso, gid ka pasigurado nga hindi madulaan kwarta ang aton maestro kag maestra sa kung ano man ang kilanglanon nila. So SLG ari dire represented by Juno and ang SLG team. Palakpakan ta. And of course, ang MSME team, ari man dire sila. So again, let us give them a round of applause. So, you know, just a brief background, ang Video Network Bank, halin sa una, may programa gid nga muli. Wala untat ang pagbulig natin sa mga eskwelahan. We are not just a financial institution that gives out loans. We are a community bank that is there for the community. During times of crisis, mapanasunugan, mapanabahaan, aragid kami, mga problema, earthquake man, kag during times nga pareho sini, nagapreparar kita sa pagbukas sa eskwelahan. We are there during times of need, and during times of the good and the bad times. May ara man kami medical and dental missions nga ginadala paagi sa atong programa kaupod ang BDO Foundation kag SM Foundation. So what am I saying? BDO Network Bank is here for you, for your needs, sometimes for your wants, and we are here to work closely with Ramon Avancenia National High School and the Department of Education. So I'd like to acknowledge, aside from Salary Loans Group at BDO Network Bank, ang BDO Foundation na ginang nabulig man sa aton. I requested their president, si Mario, kaya for the past few years na nag-start when I became head of Corporate Affairs and Community Relations, nga makahatag sila supplement budget sa aton. And because of that supplement budget that was approved by BDO Foundation, we were able to increase the number of schools nga kakabuligan naton nationwide. And we also were able to reach out to SM Foundation. So SM Foundation, nagabulig man, gina-request naman paagi sa mga laptops, PCs, and even books nga gina-distribute nationwide sa nakailain na eskwelahan sa Philippines. So hindi na ako magpadugay, kaya excited na ang tanan, nga makapintura, makapaninlo, kag ma-turn over na ang atong nga dala para sa Ramon Avancenia National High School. So without further ado, I'd like to say na kapag BDO Network Bank at BDO ang kausap, abot ang pangarap, magkasama tayo sa magandang bukas. Thank you and good morning.
You made that traitor.
Yes. Ito po yung muna proper na paraan para mamili.